This fitment video is brought to you by Ryco TV.
In this episode, we'll be fitting a Ryco Filters RCA198C cabin air filter into a BMW E90. Open the hood and locate the cabin air compartment at the base of the windscreen. Remove all the screws that hold the compartment cover in place. There are 6 of them. Remove the compartment cover and flip it to see the cabin air filter. You'll notice that this filter can only go in the cover one way, and that is with the clips flat to the top. Take the old filter out and replace it with a new RCA198C. Remember that the filter is fitted with clips to the top. Replace the assembled filter and cover back in place. Redo all the screws and you're done.
Brought to you by Ryco TV.